Hey guys, I wanted to take this opportunity to give you a quick reminder about smart lists inside of contacts and how they can help you at the point that you've gotten what we went through in this course kind of set up for you, or what we went through in this section set up for you, okay? So with this, there's a lot of different ways that you can represent your contacts within smart lists, but again, within the context of like just a basic mortgage leads pipeline or a basic mortgage loans in process pipeline, this is some of the cool ways that you can use smart lists in your business. Okay, so I have an account right now with an active LOS sync, and let's say I want to make sure that I have a beat on all of my loans that are submitted for approval, that I'm waiting for an approval back so that my loan partner can follow up with underwriting for my lenders that are taking too long, whatever it is. Okay, so I can come in here and now I'm in contacts, by the way. Sorry, I know I jump ahead a little bit on this. And under contacts, I can go to more filters on the right hand side, and I can now create a filter that says, hey, show me, the first one I'm going to do really basic. I'm going to go pipeline is contract. So this is loans in process for this LO, and pipeline status is open. I want to see all of my current loans in process is essentially what this is. Boom. Now I see I have 8 records in here. So I can save this as a smart list and I can call this loans in process. Okay, but wait, I can add information in here as well. So I can come in here and I can say, you know what do I want to see here? I want to see what does this do? This shows me the actual opportunities. And I could see, oh, okay, this one's in disclosure sent, this one's in submitted to underwriting, right? Whatever it is. So now I have this smart list, and anytime I go to contacts, I can click on loans in process and I can see all of these loans in process. Pretty cool, right? We also obviously have the ability to do this within dashboards. And so don't sleep on dashboards, right? If you just want to represent this on your dashboard, you totally can. But I just wanted to use this as a quick reminder to let you know smart lists are in here. Smart lists are great ways to make sure that you are communicating with the right leads at the right time, right prospects, right clients, etc. Smart lists are used inside of like marketing, sending out email campaigns. Obviously, you can send bulk campaigns from here. And so even if your dashboard is dialed in and you have everything represented visually the way you want to, smart lists are still a really great way to manage these, specifically for being able to send out one-off communications. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.